Hello everyone! Welcome to the PD Knob channel. Today I'm going to tell you what OCR or optical character recognition is. A technology that allows you to extract information from documents and convert it into searchable and editable data. OCR is the electronic or mechanical conversion of images of typed, handwritten, or printed text into machine-encoded text. Whether from a scanned document, a photo of a document, a scene photo, or subtitled text superimposed on an image. Once we extract information from documents, we can pass it on to other systems, such as ERP or content management system, for process management such as invoice processing, human resources, legal document searchability, transcripts, or sales order processing. When we add AI and machine learning elements to the process, we can further reduce the human intervention required, recognize a wider range of document types and languages, and even mimic the way the human brain recognizes patterns and context. The above is the introduction of OCR. At this time, you may have a question: how to use OCR to extract document information? Next, I will recommend you PD Knob Image Translator, a free OCR and translation software for Mac. Get PD Knob Image Translator from our official website or the link below. Back to the desktop, click the Apple logo in the upper left corner. Choose System Preferences. Select Security and Privacy. Drag down to select Screen Recording. Click on the box for PD Knob Image Translator. Open the downloaded PD Knob Image Translator. Click on the icon of PD Knob Image Translator in the upper right corner. Choose Screenshot and Recognize. Screenshot the text that needs to be scanned. PD Knob Image Translator will output all text information in the screenshot. You can also click the Translate button to output the result. Select another translation language in the lower left corner. And click the Copy button. Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a like if you think it's good. See you in the next video.